Hi again, everybody. Our open-ended today deals with linear equations, but in standard form rather than slope-intercept or point-slope form. So, this open-ended is about granola bars. Georgia is purchasing treats for her classmates. Georgia can spend exactly $10 to purchase 25 fruit bars, each equal in price. Georgia can also spend exactly $10 to purchase 40 granola bars, each equal in price. Write an equation that can be used to find all combinations of fruit bars X and granola bars Y that will cost exactly $10. So, she can buy 25 fruit bars or 40 granola bars. So for a fruit bar, her $10 divided by 25, the number of fruit bars, will give us the cost of one fruit bar. 10 divided by 25 is 0.4 or 40 cents. Now the cost of a granola bar, well, there she can use her $10 and buy 40 of them. How much does each one cost? Well, 10 divided by 40 gives you 0.25. So the fruit bars, if you do 25 times 0.40, 40 cents, you will get the $10. And same way, if you do 40 times 0.25, you will get the $10. Therefore, we have the prices for the fruit bar and the granola bar. The equation that we would like to use then is 0.40 F, 40 cents per fruit bar, plus 0.25 G, 25 cents per granola bar, equals the $10 that she gets to spend. And that is the equation that they are looking for in number 1. Part A. Part B, graph the equation from part A below. So we're going to go back and graph this here. So it says that you can buy 25 fruit bars if you buy no granola bars. So when I make this graph, here we have fruit bars, and here we have granola bars. So we're counting by 5 here. And we'll do the same thing for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30, 40. Okay. Now if we go back to the previous problem that we looked at, it said that she could buy 25 fruit bars, which would mean that she would have to buy 0 granola bars, because it would cost her all $10 to buy those 25 fruit bars. So she can buy 25 fruit bars, but it would cost you, or it would mean that you would have no granola bars. Similarly, we said that she could buy 40 granola bars, okay, but it would mean that she has no fruit bars. She would have to use all her money to buy granola bars. So if we connect these two dots, we have the equation, or the graph of that equation. And please note that I don't put any arrows on the ends of these because you can't buy negative fruit bars or negative granola bars. So we have to leave it as is. If we go back to part C, what is the slope of the line graph in part B? Well, to find slope, we could do a couple of different things. But probably the easiest way to do this is to look at your graph and just figure out how do we go from this point here at 0.25 to this point here at 40, 0. I'll also do it using the formula for those of you who would like to do it that way. But to go from here to here, we go down 25, so my change in y and we go over 40. So my change in y, or my change in x, I'm sorry, is 40. So negative 25 over 40 gives us negative 5 over 8. We have a slope of negative 5 over 8. Again, if you want to do this using the formula, that would be n equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We'd simply plug in. For the y's, you would have 25 and 0. For the x's, you have 0 and 40. That would give us 25 over negative 40, which is negative 5 over 8. So certainly feel free to use the formula if you would prefer. The last part is explain what the slope from part C means in the context of Georgia purchasing trees. Well, the change in y is the number of fruit bars that she is gaining or losing, and the change in x is the number of granola bars that she is gaining or losing. So what this is really saying, all this is really saying here for part B, is that for every 8 granola bars Georgia purchases, she can buy 5 less fruit bars. And that's what our slope is saying, that the negative 5 over 8 is saying. Every time that we go to the right 8, every time that our granola bars goes up 8, our fruit bars go down 5, which is what we're explaining in part B. For every 8 granola bars Georgia purchases, she can buy 5 less fruit bars. I hope this is helpful. You have an open-ended question to do now that is similar to this one. If you have any questions, feel free to rewatch this video or contact your instructor. Have a good day.